Hey guys, got a problem and I need your help. Oh Lord. Alright, I was told I got a check engine light. It's got a what is it? Ignition signal, whatever that means, and knock sensor. I went down to AutoZone. Alright folks, I hope you can help me. Alright, let's pop the hood, shall we? Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh damn. Can you guys hear anything here? That a weird sound. Oh crap. I lost my cover. Oh well. Alright. Let's go for a ride, shall we? I'm trying to sell this car, but I want to make sure it's straight. Hold on, let me rev it up a little bit more. See? I just don't get it. See, it idles below 1. Isn't that supposed to be normal? Alright, one more. Let's rev her up real quick. I don't know why it's not changing. Alright, hope you guys can help. Thanks, appreciate it. Bye.